are you guys doing?
Please subscribe. For me, I am the best. That's my baby brother, and he's very happy for me. So,
Come on, please keep it down. Yeah, you did.
thank you, fans.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. Today I got my Boxycharm. And I remember seeing other people's videos go up, and I'm like, why are they getting their Boxycharm so early? And then I realized it's not fucking early. It's like the middle of November, and that's usually when I get mine. So I don't really know what the fuck is going on in my head. So first, I do a review of last month's product. So that's October. So we got, first thing we got a Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and I don't have it anymore. I gave it away. So yeah, because fuck Kat Von D. Next we got the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I don't support It Cosmetics. I don't buy from them, but this came in a subscription box, and it's not their face products, so I will use this, but I will not buy from them. So this is okay. But Kat Von D is a whole other. I'm gonna do a video about brands I don't support and why. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna record it. But so yeah. But no, this is the It Cosmetics Superhero, and I do like this mascara. It's not bad. It makes my lashes look pretty good. Although it's only been open less than a month, like half a month, and it's already starting to get a little clumpy. So that's kind of shitty. But it makes them look longer. And but it does make my lashes look longer, so I like it. Okay, next we got this Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. And as you can see, I have not used it yet. It comes with two of these lace over compression masks that go over. It's got like a tube with a mask in there. I am afraid to use this mask. I was thinking about using it. I was on the Half Cousins podcast last Sunday, and I was thinking about using this. But I had heard that this rips your face off really badly, and I was like, that probably would not be the best thing to use live. So I picked a different peel-off mask, and that one also ripped my face off. So it didn't really matter which fucking mask I picked. But I'm interested to see how this weird lace overlay thing works, and how serial killery I look, because that just sounds kind of creepy. But I haven't used it, but I heard it's good, and I heard it really hurts when you peel it off. So, and then next we got the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. I've used this a couple times. I used these today. I used this cheek color and this contoury bronzer color. And I've used the green shadow. And I've used that silver. And I used the pink. And I like these. Like, they smell like vanilla. And that's really kind of cool. I mean, not that I care that my products smell. Like, I'm not going to buy something based on the smell. But if something comes and it does smell, that's like an added bonus. So that's kind of cool. But they perform really well. They're really pigmented. And the shimmer shades are really pretty. And I think the blushes look really nice. They're pretty pigmented. And the bronzer looks really good on. It's a good shade match for me. And I have saved the best for last, because this is my new favorite shit ever in the world. And I want to see how much this costs, because I'm going to want to buy more, and I hope it's not too expensive. It's the Pharmacy Green Clean Melt Away Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This stuff is so great. It smells like, you can see how much I've used. It's almost gone. It's got a light lemony citrus scent and it smells really clean. Please stop, James. You need to say sorry to your brother. That is not nice. Give your brother hugs. You don't pull your brother's hair. So this goes on and it takes your makeup off very well. I love it. And it leaves my skin feeling so soft and great. It's the Pharmacy with an F, not a PH. This is wonderful. I'm going to have to look into repurchasing this. I love it. So now we're going to open this month's Boxycharm. I didn't see any spoilers, and if I did, I don't fucking remember what they were, so. Alright, the first thing I pull out is this Jante Blue black color, long-lasting, intense, black, glittering star eyeliner. Every eyeliner I've gotten from this Jante Blue has been shit. So we'll see how this one goes. It's a glitter eyeliner. I fucking love glitter. So, well, let me see if I can just open it and swatch it. Ooh. There's, oh, you can't see that. The glitter actually shows up in the liner. Wow. And this one's dark. I don't know if you can see the glitter, but I can see it. Oh, and this month's theme is Gold Digger. What the fuck? And this eyeliner is $5. This one actually looks better than the other ones I've gotten for them. So that is exciting, actually. And next thing I pull out are Lexi brushes, which I love. And this one is a 4-set. Ooh, and these handles are really glittery. And these are small eye brushes that look like, ooh, these would be really good for like detail work. You know, shit I don't do. But now I'm going to start. Yeah. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to check out the detailed and very exquisite eye looks I do with these 4 brushes. It's coming, guys. And that brush set is worth $21. Next are lashes, and they are in a super sparkly box. They look fancy as fuck. Woo! These look super nice. But again, it's lashes. I mean, I have lash glue, but it didn't come with lash glue. So what about people that don't have just lash glue laying around? That's not, I don't really think that's convenient for people that don't have that stuff. I do, but not everyone just has it laying around. They look pretty, so I'm excited to try them out and wear them. Next is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. In the color Nova.
I know, it's a Babel.
Alright guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I have no fucking clue what to do with these. All I know is I can go on Instagram and go like this, and I don't know what they're supposed to do. But I guess that's impressive. Honestly, I don't know what the fuck to do with this. If you know what the fuck to do with these, please tell me in the comments. 'Cause I don't know what the fuck to do with these. I mean, it's pretty. Really sparkly. But I don't know. Oh, and those lashes were worth $15. Fuck. And these cover drops are $44. $44 is a lot of money to spend on some shit that you don't even know what it does. I mean, I guess you would know what it does if you bought it. I'm just saying, I don't know what to do with this. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under, or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on your face, on the face and body. I don't know. I don't even know. I don't know. That's weird. And then last but not least, is the palette. And I was excited about this palette until I saw Hannah from Smoky Glow use hers. And I was like, oh, that's kind of wah wah. This is the Ace Beauté Grandiose palette. And these colors are really pretty.
Obviously.
Like, I don't think I have anything quite like this rose color. I mean, that's about it, but and they're pretty. It'll be fun to play with because I've never tried Ace Beauté.
Okay.
I mean, they swatch pretty well. But if you haven't watched K-Swiz's video on swatches, you should. Because, yeah, swatches don't really mean a fucking thing. They only mean something because we do them, but they don't really mean anything. Yeah, I'll link it in the cards. It's a good video. You should go watch it. But I will play around with this and I'll see how it performs on my eyeballs. So, that's what we got in the November Boxycharm. And the total for this month is
24, 25, 69, 95. Mine was 110 and
109.98, I believe, if I'm doing the math correctly. I'll put it up here after I use my calculator and let you know if I'm as smart as I look. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription, makeup subscription service. And you usually get a palette every month, plus some other, excuse me, plus some other makeup items. And I like it. I'm starting to step back a little bit because I think I have too much shit. But I haven't decided yet. I like it because I was trying to build up my collection. Now that my collection has been built. So I'll have to think about if I still want to do this or not. I don't know. We'll see. But thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. See you next time.